Hello people!
Hello!
And welcome to our new video. This time we are going to walk 6 kilometers hike, stay night at the cabin. Yeah. Pretty nice cabin. Let's see how it looks, but what we have been looking information about that place, it seems to be pretty nice and luxurious, not so rural. Even there aren't water as usually, but there is sun panels. Yeah, so there is some kind of electricity
Solar
there.
panel.
Yeah, solar panel. Yeah, that is the right word. But yeah, we have been walking a little bit over 1 kilometer now. And so far so good. We are testing our backpacks properly with this trip because we are going to do 30 kilometers hike or so next month. So we wanna know that how doable this is. But yeah, there was already one pretty muddy part on the road and our shoes are a little bit dirty. There you can see map from this area, and we are now there, and we are going to go there first. There is some kind of cave what we wanna see, and then we are going to walk here and yeah, somewhere here, and our cabin is there. Next day we planned that we wanna see this. It's not Firewatch tower, but it is similar, looks Firewatch tower. And then there is also some kind of another, was it cave or something, but something what we wanna see. Some kind of scenery in the forest. But yeah, this park is called Hähninmäen ulkoilualue, so in English, Hähninmäen's Park. And yeah, this name is a little bit weird. We were saying it wrong for a long time. We were saying it Hähinmäki, but then I was noticing that it is Hähninmäki. So yeah, Finnish isn't so easy, even for us Finns. By the way, now when I'm watching this more closely, why there are hattivattis there. So you are saying that this is the Hähnis hill. Yeah, we are going to get some exercise. Little bit out of breath, but nice views. I think that this ain't the main cave, but there is little cave as well. Nice water dripping noises. Yeah, I can tell that this path isn't easy to walk, so this is pretty good practice for us. But views are very nice. We think that this is the main cave, but we are checking. So this is the cave. There is a little bit dark in that corner, but yeah, we don't have many caves like this in Finland, and I haven't been seen cave like this before. You could technically go there, but I'm not going to climb with my backpack, so I'll pass it this time. But nice place. I think I see hattivattis. If it would be dark, this would look pretty scary. Just saying. But yeah, this is a Moomin character. I don't know what it is in English, this name, but in Finnish it is Hattivatti. This park's caretaker lives there. It is pretty handy to live near the cabins what you are looking for. Looking after, yeah, that is that is the word, I guess. There is little swamp lake. And the fun thing is that there is even small dock, so technically you could swim there. Although now there is little bit ice. There is some animal trivia. I don't know what tavi is in English, but ahven is perch, särki is roach, and hauki is pike. Yeah, I have been playing Russian fishing for, and it has been helping. Only thing that this place is missing is a beer. So relaxing, and maybe swimsuit, maybe little bit warmer also. It's a shame that I don't recognize bird sound so good. I don't know what bird that is. Maybe it is tavi. We cannot know. This lake's name is very funny because it is Paskolampi. That means in English like shit lake.
Something like that.
Yeah, kinda. So it is pretty odd name. But yeah, shitty lake. Like I'm feeling that this hill isn't going to end like ever. Like they are totally going to take all out of us before we get to the cabin. We have arrived. I must say that somehow this cottage did look much bigger when I was watching the pictures. Now when I see it in nature, I really can notice how small it is. Like very small and cozy. I don't know what building is there. Is that Huussi? No, I don't know what that is. There is nice fireplace area. There is firewood building. There is Huussi behind the rock.
There is a watchtower. Did you see it already?
Where? I'm blind. I'm tree is just facing me, so I didn't see it. But yeah, can you see it? There is a watchtower where we are going to go tomorrow. Okay, let's see if we are going to see anything at inside, but there is little balcony where you can sleep. But let's see, maybe it is too warm if you warm at this cabin. It is very dark and it is warm already in here, so there is little light. So it looks basically like this. There is little kitchen area. There is little fireplace, and there are stairs to the balcony. Next we are going to eat. I'm making beanie tomato soup, some kind of, like the lazy version. That is very easy when you travel. I was cleaning this pot first cause yeah, it didn't fill my clean standards. Clean standards, yeah.
Beans.
Really? You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, I have spoon though. And some corn as well. What, you think this is going to be much? Well, we have some breakfast as well.
We don't have to eat tomorrow.
That is also option, yes.
I don't think so. It's long day tomorrow.
Yeah, first we need to walk back and then we need to drive over 3 hours.
Yeah, tomorrow we have longer walk than today.
Was it? I don't remember.
Maybe a little bit. If we
yeah, if we go to the sceneries.
yeah. Well, if we eat pretty well, we have to use that food.
Yeah.
Our energy.
Yeah, I guess so. We are spending Easter after all, so we have some pascha with us and some other treats also, like filled chocolate eggs. Yeah. Infinis töhnämuna. Kivipaperisakset. 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 Eli sinä voitin. This is hard. Okay, final look to this place in daylight. We are leaving and we were planning that we are going to drink some tea in the watchtower next. Little bit of view what this cottage looks like at the front. The scenery is beautiful and weather is pretty crispy, like around 0 Celsius. There was some family at the watchtower spending their night there, but now it should be clear for us. Pretty nice watchtower. And now when I'm looking, is there little windmill there? Instead of solar panel. Interesting. Yeah, let's go for our morning tea. There is little summer terrace here under this watchtower. And there is some art as well. Nice. Scenery is breathtaking. But it is very cold wind up here and even some icy rain, so not optimal to be outside exactly. Oh, this is fancy. Like you can spend your night here as well, and that one family was spending their night here, but I must say that these are very nice views. Like there is so much natural light here. Yeah, not bad place at all to sip your tea.
Uskon huomiseen.
Se ei ole uskon asia.
Ja se huominen.
I was sleeping better than I thought. And that is surprising, cause like places like those, I'm always assuming that I don't maybe sleep at all. Like, yeah, in that first cabin trip at Peukaloinen, there I think I didn't sleep at whole night. I was just laying and I guess resting without sleep, but now I was sleeping like almost the whole night. Like I was waking up from time to time, but yeah, I slept very well. How about you?
Not so well.
Bad in your sinun mittareilla niinku.
Yeah, I usually sleep better.
Yeah, Sopuli sleeps
I don't woke
anywhere.
up time to time, but
Yeah, and he doesn't woke up. He's a good sleeper.
yeah.
So if you think about that, he was sleeping bad. So maybe around the same amount.
Yeah, I woke up time to time. But I think it was because of my legs hurts a little bit.
Yeah, your
Not-
legs were hurting.
Yeah, not much, but
Yeah, for me, I must say that I'm very surprised that I wouldn't know that I have been hiking with 13 kilogram pack
yeah.
over 6 kilometers if I wouldn't know. I know, but my body doesn't know that. Now
Yeah.
we are going to eat some traditional Finnish delights.
Man.
Yeah, this is like a traditional Easter delight, and I think this is only thing in Finland. Like there is sweetened rye flour or something. I don't know how they make that. And usually you put cream with these, but now we have like travel versions, and there is already vanilla and salty caramel puddings, it seems. I haven't been tasting this before, so this is new also for me. It doesn't look so great, I know. Many people are saying that this looks like shit, but you shouldn't judge the book by its cover, right? It's good. Very good. Yeah, I don't know how to describe this, but this is like rye flour pudding. Something like that. Very sweet. And this is healthy as well. So that's a plus. This vanilla mammy was very, very good. It was like what I was expecting from mammy around Easter. So it was traditional, it was good, it was nice travel size, but this caramel mammy, yeah, this was the first time and the last time when I buy this. Like it didn't taste natural somehow, and it was too much and too sweet and too salty and
not real caramel.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, we don't know what is keinotekoinen, but we are going to translate it. It didn't...
Unnatural.
Yeah, unnatural, or it wasn't genuine. Yeah. There is very big pahka in that birch. I have no idea what pahka is in English, but I try to find translation. It's massive. Actually, my uncle was doing some sculptures out of these, like mugs and all kinds of, not vases, but something like that, and pots and all. We wanted to check this third place where you could spend your night. This is one pretty rural cabin, but there is sauna as well and little swamp lake where you could swim. This place would be pretty cool at fall when it is like not so cold. You can swim, but there aren't mosquitoes and such so much, because I must say that even when I'm originally from countryside, I never do get used to mosquitoes. Those are annoying creatures. It seems that somebody has been ice swimming here. There is so many small cabins here, an old boat as well. Fun thing is that there is water boiler outside. That is creative solution. And this is sauna cabin. Could you keep door open that I can get some light stuck with my bag? Yeah, it is pretty rural, but sauna stove looks pretty new one. I bet that this sauna is going to give a very nice löyly. Next, main building. Oh, this is so cozy. I love this atmosphere here. Oh, I feel like we have to come here again at fall. And there is the place where you can sleep.
Oh, sorry, we don't want to sleep here.
Yeah. Is that like 2% that you can?
I think so.
Yeah,
You can
make it
open
bigger. Yeah. Oh, there is some decoration here as well. Yeah, I think there is better kitchenware here almost than the other cabin. But I would really want to stay this place. We definitely are going to come here at autumn or fall. I don't know which one I should use. But is there any plates? Okay, good to know. It is hailing. Like we were just laughing that that these arrows doesn't make any sense. Like if you wanna go red road, you can go there, or there there is again red and extra arrow, and yeah, then you can go green there or there, and yeah, like I don't get it. Or is this like replacement that red road was there, now it's there? I don't know, but
Here is tower, but the text is a little bit old.
yeah, worn out.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was trying to navigate with these where we should go, and I didn't manage to do it. We did need phone map. This place smells so good. There is this flower. It is in blooming right now, but it is white when it blooms. And it smells so good and powerful, like it is very strong scent. It is called suopursu. In Finnish, I put the translation here because I have no idea. Like, this road is a swamp. Muddy puddle. I'm not sure which side looks easier to go. I think this one maybe. Oh, there is so much water in there. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, yeah, that didn't look great. Not easy. Let's go here. Maybe this is easier. Yeah. My feet are starting to feel pretty sore, so I'm starting to be ready with hiking. Okay, we are back to our muddy car. Okay, now our trip comes to an end. And that was a very nice place. Like, I'm genuinely surprised. Like, there was so much to see, so many nice cabins where you could spend your night. So I'm totally sure that we are going to go there back some fall. I don't know this year, but at some point we are going to go back to that sauna cabin.
Poltinlampi.
Yeah, Poltinlampi. And my legs feel very sore now. Like they are tired. Or toes are tired. I don't know. But anyways, I'm also pleasantly surprised that it wasn't so bad. We made it, and I think we are more than ready to go this 3-night hiking trip at May.
Yeah.
But yeah, we aren't so sure if we are going to make any videos before that, because we have pretty busy schedule now. We have lots of work and dance classes and dance show coming and everything. So yeah, if something appears, then we manage to do it, but otherwise, see you again at May. Bye!
Bye.
It's raining!